Okay, so my car, I have a 2001 Toyota Avalon, and if you look, my blinker went out, so I changed it. I changed the fuse and I had to change the bulb. Okay, so what's happening now is that if you, as you could see, I just flipped up the switch. Okay, down, the left blinker works. However, when I put it up, you sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Now so the way you could tell if it's your switch, if you slightly hold it up and not click it in, it works, and it works on the outside. But if you click it in, it'll do that and then it won't work. So that is your switch. So we're gonna switch it out. No pun intended. Anyhow, um, I just went to a local pick and pull to pull one out, and it was pretty easy. So hopefully it'll be the same on this side on my end. So what you're gonna do is you just need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. And let me see if I can switch out. So what you're gonna do is, it's easier to turn the car on, but you take this screw out on this side. And you have another screw on this side. Just a word of advice, if you go to the pick and pull or wherever you're going, the steering wheel might be locked. Don't worry about it, as long as you could get one side showing. It's pretty easy to pull out. At least that's what happened to me. And then there's one more underneath here, right there. Can't see and hold the camera, so let's see. I'm going to turn it off for a second. Okay, so I removed all 3 screws. Okay, and get a flathead and just kind of pop it open here. Comes off. Do the same for the other side. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do that at the same time. And I had someone holding the camera. I'm gonna. I'm sorry. So there's 2 screws with that switch, where that switch is. And once you get this off, okay, close that a little bit. And that's where your steering wheel column. See if I switch that, maybe it'll come out more. Actually, the other ones didn't have that tilt. Oh gosh. Let me just try to bring it all the way up and see what happens. Of course, nothing ever works right. Whoops, didn't mean to turn that. Let's just try to get this top one off. Let's see if I can set the phone. If I can get it to stay like that, that might work. Gosh. Let's just do this for now. Okay. that just loosens up. So just kind of had to pull it apart a little bit. So you don't even have to take it all the way off. So what you're going to do is you're going to release these two screws right here. Okay, so get your Phillips. Okay, I'll try to do this in my other hand. There's one. I'm all right. This is my third time. It's my third thing. I need to take this out. But the one at the didn't have a this. There's gotta be a way to take this out. Let me see. The tilt screen. The tilt. I keep saying screen. Oh, let's see. That's why I have a daughter going to college, folks. Look at that. Smart as a bee. Okay. Okay. All right. So this just comes out. Where's my screwdriver? No, it's not here. Okay, so hopefully this will be the same one. Let's see what the code is on that. 17A089. Oh, mine's D. This is.
They look different sizes.
Which one did I pull out?
Worn out one?
Which one?
I don't know whichever one's more worn out.
The hell did I? This one looks clean. Oh my God! Which one did I just pull?
Hold on, stop. Put it back.
This one has to be the one I pulled out because it's greasy.
Put it back.
Huh?
Put it back so you can compare. Oh, they literally look exactly. Hold on.
This is the one I just pulled out, I think. Well, we could rewind it.
Folks, what do you think?
Okay, well, let's try this one. All right.
You think that's the new one?
Yep. Well, not new, but newer.
New to you.
Let's see.
Near new luxury.
Let's see. Aw, look at that pretty blinker over there. Ah, life is good. Can we rewind that so I can remember how to put it back together? All right. All right. Where'd you go, little buddy? Okay, so folks, opposite way back in. The gold screws. Oh, look at that pretty blinker. All right. Okay, I made a name for this site. Thank you for tuning in to Drills, Hills, and Hooks. Drills, Hills, and Hooks. Drills, Hills, and Hooks. Okay. I'm going to put it back together. And we'll see if it's still working when I do that. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Yep. Bye. Have a nice day. Okay, so I got the top part, the bottom part popped back in. And we're going to test it out again. Let's see how that works. Up is working. Down is working. Hopefully the light, everything will look. I see the lights going on, hitting the front over there. Okay. So, 2001 Toyota Avalon switch issue. Blinker won't stay on. And my light went off. I had the blinker light was on. And I changed out the bulb, which it was burnt out. And then it wouldn't go off, and now it's off. Yay. Okay. Thank you for watching Drills, Hills, and Hooks.